Ako po si Jerome, operator po ng DTF printer dito sa Shared Planet Divisoria. As of June 17, ginamit ito ng 7 days na may total meters na 235. Ito po ang printer head. Ang huling palit po nito ay last month lang. Wiper and capping na may 100% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ito po ang nozzle check. Ink system, tama lang ang level. Waste tank nakaka-dispose lang. APR at wala po kaming ground wire. Ito po yung stocks ko ng CMYK. Ito po yung white ink, Ineos ink, DTF powder, DTF film, production log, checklist. Ang nagamit ko sa consumables ay tatlong white ink, tatlong resin powder, dalawang DTF film. Yun lang po. Thank you.